Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to set blank status on WhatsApp using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your WhatsApp. Now click on the settings button at the lower right corner of your screen and click on your profile. So now here you want to click on the about section, and as you can see that the section that says currently set to is blank, right? So to do that, you want to open your browser. I am using Safari, but you can use Google Chrome and search for invisibletext.com. Okay, you can see that here on my search bar. After that, you want to scroll down until you see this box. Okay, so you just want to click on that and it says copied. So just go ahead and go back on WhatsApp, click here, and you want to paste that right here. Now click save, and as you can see that your status is invisible, right? Or your status is blank. So that's it. That is how you set your blank status on WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.